Good day, everyone. My name is Ali Mays Altinambakan, and I'll be presenting our business plan, which is the AOD Bike Shop. So, what is AOD Bike Shop? See, AOD Cycle Shop is your one-stop shop for all things cycling. We offer a wide range of bikes, from road and mountain to electric and fixie, plus custom builds. Our expert team helps with bike selection, bike selection, fitting, and maintenance to ensure the perfect ride. Okay, this is our uh, the description of our AOD shop. So our business plan, our AOD shop will be on the location of our business will be on Matiao, Mati City. Thank you.
So, for the objectives, we have 10. Number 1 is wide selection of bikes. We offer device selection of high quality bicycle including road bike, mountain bike, fixie bike, and electric bikes and custom build option, creating to riders of all levels. Next is expert advice. Our expert advice provides personalized advice on bike selections, fittings, and maintenance, ensuring every customer find the perfect rides for their needs. Then, one of our objective is cycling community. We are committed to building a strong cycling community by organizing group rides, training workshop, and charity events that bring cycling together. Next is trust. Our trusted repair and maintenance service ensure that every bike remains in peak condition, offering professional tune-up, part replacement, and expert servicing. Next is unique. For the unique is riding seeking something unique. We offer custom bike building option, allowing customer to design and build their dream bicycle with personal features. That is our unique. Next is safety. We provide a wide range of parts and accessories, including helmet, tools, and tires, and performance enhanced gear to improve every cycling experience and for the safety. Next is support beginner. We make cycling accessible to beginner through educational program, safety workshop, and hands-on training. Our session cover cycling technologies and road safety and bike maintenance, helping new riders gain confidence in ride safety. Next is eco-friendly cycling. As advocate of sustainability, we promote eco-friendly cycling by encouraging cycle as alternative mode of transportation, reducing carbon footprints and traffic congestion. Next is local collaboration. On the local collaboration, local, organi- local organizations, school and fitness centers to promote cycling supporting programs that educate and inspire people to ride. And one not the least is home delivery. To enhance customer convenience, we offer home delivery for bike purchases, rentals, and accessories, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Then that's all for the objective, and my co-teammates or my teammates is we will be report the next. That's all.
Our services that we offer: bike sales, bike buy and sell, bike rentals, bike fitting services, repair and maintenance, custom bike builds, parts and accessories, community events, mobile bike repair, and home delivery address. We sell all types of bikes including road, mountain, pixie, and electric bikes. You can also get a custom built bike made just for you. Bike buy and sell. Looking for a budget friendly bike or want to sell yours? Our platform helps you buy or sell second-hand bikes at fair price. Bike rentals. Need a bike for a short trip? We offer rentals for tourists, commuters, and casual riders, whether for a day or longer. Bike fitting services. We adjust your bike to fit your body for maximum comfort and efficiency, helping you ride better and longer. Repairs and maintenance. From small fixes to full servicing, we keep your bike in top condition with expert repairs and tune-ups. Custom bike builds. Want a unique bike? We design and build bikes based on your style, needs, and performance goals. Parts and accessories. We provide helmets, tires, tools, and other essentials gear to operate and maintain your bike. Community events. Join our group rides, workshops, and charity events to connect with fellow cyclists and improve your skills. Mobile bike repair. Can't bring your bike to us? No worries. We come to you for repairs at your home or event. Home delivery services. Buy a bike, rent one, or order accessories, and we'll deliver them straight to your doorstep for convenience.